Hi guys, this is Gary with R&E Paint and Supply. You can find us at repaintsupply.com. And today we're going to be working on a 2020 Chevy Equinox. So we've got a rear hatch that was damaged, and so what we've done is we've bought a new hatch. It came to us with E-coat on it, and we're going to repaint that. And so the process for this is we're going to use gray scuff pads. We're going to scuff that panel very well, and then we're going to come back with the SprayMax wax and grease remover, and we're going to use that to clean it. And then we're going to use the SprayMax 2K epoxy primer, part number 36800033. And to use this product, you have to make sure that you take the red button off the top of the cap, and it is used to push in the bottom. There's an actuator right here, and that activates that product. And the next process we're going to use is this is a custom blend that we build in-house. We found the paint code off of our vehicle. This is WA636R Switchblade Silver, and we're going to use that, and then we're going to follow that up, and this is a very good combination, this process right here. We're going to follow this up with SprayMax 3680061, and this product right here, I'm telling you guys, this product works extremely well. Very, very nice gloss. It's going to look like a factory paint job when we're finished. It also has the activated cap, so anytime you see these, you've got to remember to use it on the bottom to actuate that stem, which releases the hardener inside the can. So let's get going on this process. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. And just to remind you, if you would please like and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. And click the bell notification. That way you know exactly when we're posting these videos.